Take a look at this. It's actually an openable vent. You don't need any screws, and I get to take a look at the return vent thingy. And those here are must be the water that makes the cooling that helps to make the coils work. I just want to learn about the HVAC. I mean HVAC. Like, I just can't, I just have a hard time learning how this works. I hope I got that. I hope I fully got that on camera. Let me just show one more time. I just want to, and then the water goes down there. And then let's look up there. That's the air duct. Sorry for the sideways. Oopsies. Now let me put back in the air suction vent. That's how toys would attempt to escape. I'll put that back into place after I stop the video. And here's the air vent. I'm gonna bend the I think you can see it. I'm using the flash right now. Is that a removable air vent? Because this must be attached. This must be glued, sealed to the wall pretty good. Here's another air vent. Turn off the lights so I can give you a look. Probably can't see it, but that might be air vents, but maybe they're Maybe they're exhaust vents or something. Okay. It's a nice balcony. I'm in Mexico. Yep, that's where I am. Mexico. No joke. It's pretty nice, especially during sunset. Okay. Thanks for watching. Nice and cool there. Alright, well, thanks for watching.